Today we are going to start revision number 2 of chapter number 7, triangles. Okay, let us start with the remaining important questions of exercise 7.2. Third question. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to sides AC and AB respectively. See this figure? Show that these altitudes are equal. That means we have to show that BE is equals to CF. Okay? So सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll take these two triangles ABE and ACF. Okay? So ये दोनों triangles मैं ले रहा हूँ. Angle A is common. Okay? Now next, and these two angles are equal. Why?
Each 90 degree.
Each 90 degree, and AB is equals to AC. Given, right. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
Angle side.
Angle side. Very good. So therefore BE is equals to CF by CPCT, right. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right, we'll see fourth question now. Triangle ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF two sides AC and AB are equal, means यहाँ पर altitudes equal दिया हुआ है and we have to show that these two triangles are congruent and AB is equals to AC. So we'll start with the same step by taking these two triangles. Angle A is common, okay, and these two angles are equal. Why?
90 degree.
Each 90 degree, right. And BE is equals to CF. It is given. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
Angle side.
Right, very good. AAS congruence rule. So AB is equals to AC by CPCT. So this will imply triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll see the next question. Question number 5. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same base. Okay. So अगर ये दोनों sides equal है तो ये दोनों angle equal होगा. Why?
Opposite. Angles opposite to equal sides.
Right. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Similarly, in this isosceles triangle, these two angles are equal. Okay, because it is given that BD is equals to DC. So adding both the angles, what we are going to get? अगर ये दोनों angles add करते हैं तो पूरा full angle मिलेगा. ये दोनों angles add करते हैं तो पूरा complete angle मिलेगा. Okay, so if we add both the angles, we'll get complete angle ACD equals to angle ABD. This only we have to show. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. Now the sixth question. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equals to AB. These two sides are equal. Show that angle BCD is a right angle. So सबसे पहले तो इसमें क्या दिया हुआ है वो लिख लेते हैं. AB is equals to AC. This is given. Okay, and if this is given, then these two angles are equal. Why?
Angles opposite to equal sides.
Very good. Angles opposite to equal sides. So let both angles be equals to 1. Now AD is equals to AB. It is given in the question. Okay, and AB is also equals to AC. So ये दोनों भी equal हो जाएगा. So therefore AD is equals to AC. And if these two sides are equal, these two angles are also equal. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? दोनों angles को angle 2 ले लेंगे. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what is the sum of all these angles?
180.
Angle D plus angle B plus angle C.
180.
180. Angle sum property of triangles. So what we will get? Angle 1 plus angle 1 plus 2 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. So 2 times angle 1 plus 2 is equals to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus 2 is equals to 90 degree. And angle 1 plus 2 is nothing but angle BCD. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Now we'll see the seventh question. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is equals to 90 degree and AB is equals to AC. Find angle B and angle C. So first of all, the angle A is given 90 degree and AB is equals to AC. This is also given, right? Now AB is equals to AC implies that these two angles are equal. Why?
Angles opposite to equal sides.
Very good. Angles opposite to equal sides. Now in this triangle, what is the sum of all these three
180.
angles?
180 degrees.
180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Right. So we'll substitute a 90 degree in place of angle A and angle B in place of angle C. So what we are going to get, 2 times angle B is equals to 180 minus angle 90 degree. Okay, so 180 minus 90 हो जाएगा 90 degree. So finally we'll get angle B is equals to 90 by 2, that is 45 degree, right? So angle C और angle B दोनों equal था, so both angles will be equals to 45 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. Next question, show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. So let us start with the first. AB is equals to any one side. Okay, any one pair we will take. AB is equals to BC. So this will imply angle C is equals to angle A. Why?
Angles opposite to equal sides.
Right. Okay. Now second one, ये दोनों इक्वल होगा, ये वाला और ये वाला, तो एंगल बी और एंगल सी भी इक्वल होगा सिमिलरली. ठीक है. So that means all three angles are equal. All three angles are equal. So we'll take the sum of all these three angles. What is the sum of all these three angles?
180.
Right, 180 degree. In place of angle B, in place of angle C, we are going to write angle A. Okay, so 3 times angle A will be equals to 180 degree. So what is the value of angle A?
60 degree. 60.
180 upon 3, that is 60 degree. Okay, so from third equation 3, angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to 60 degree. Hence each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards the next section, that is some more criteria for congruence of triangles. SSS congruence rule and RHS congruence rule, दोनों का theorem proof important है, exam में आ भी सकता है. Okay, so let us start with the theorem number 7.4, that is SSS congruence rule. If 3 sides of one triangle are equals to 3 sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so see this figure first. All corresponding sides are equal. AB is equals to DE, AC is equals to DF, and BC is equals to EF. This is given. And what we have to prove? The two triangles are congruent. So इसमें हम लोग एक construction करेंगे. We'll do one construction. हम लोग इसका जो replica जो है वो यहाँ पे बनाएंगे. Okay, we'll make the replica of this triangle here. How? This angle will make here F यहाँ पे बनाएंगे और ये वाला जो एंगल है वो यहाँ पे बनाएंगे हम लोग. ठीक है. So both will intersect at one point. See, next slide में मैं explain कर रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. We are going to make this angle here and this angle here. Both will intersect at point G. Then join DG. Any doubt?
No, sir.
मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, ये जो एंगल है हम लोग यहाँ पे बनाएंगे और ये जो एंगल है वो यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे. So both will intersect at point G. Join DG. Right? Now we are going to prove this triangle is congruent to this triangle. हम लोग का मेन टारगेट क्या है? ये दोनों एंगल्स को इक्वल प्रूफ करना, एंगल ए और एंगल डी. उसके लिए हम लोग पहले प्रूफ करेंगे दिस टू ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. इन ट्रायंगल ABC and GEF, BC is equals to EF. It is given. Okay, and this angle is equals to this angle by construction, and this angle is equals to this angle by construction. Okay, so therefore these two triangles are congruent by which criteria? ASA. Okay, any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right, if these two triangles are congruent, then angle A will be equals to angle EGF by CPCT,
Yes.
and AB is equals to GE, and AC is equals to GF. ये clear है?
Yes, sir.
By CPCT. Okay, now angle A is equals to angle EGF, AB is equals to DE, it is already given, and AC is equals to DF, it is already given. So these two will be equal and these two will be equal. इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो,
No, sir.
क्योंकि ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल है और ये दोनों आपस में इक्वल है, इसलिए ये दोनों भी इक्वल हो जाएंगे. Right, the reason is that AB is equals to DE and AC is equals to DF. Okay, right, now see, DE is equals to GE है, so these two angles are equal. Why?
Angles opposite to equal sides.
Right, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So दोनों को मैं 1 ले लिया. Similarly, these two are equal. So these two angles will be equal. Same reason, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So दोनों को मैं angle 2 ले लिया. Right? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I am going to add these two angles. ये वाला एंगल इसके बराबर है और ये वाला एंगल इसके बराबर है. So adding 1 and 2 will get angle EGF is equals to angle EDF. Any doubt?
No, sir.
See, both are equals to angle 1, both are equals to angle 2, this one. If we add these two angles, then they are equal to each other. Any doubt?
No, sir.
ठीक है? Okay. So now, but angle A is equals to angle G, EFG or EGF. Already we have proved. These two angles are equal. We have already proved. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
So that means angle A is equals to angle D. मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ. अभी हम लोग जो शो किए हैं वो ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल है शो किए हैं. बट हम लोग ऑलरेडी प्रूव कर चुके हैं कि ये दोनों इक्वल है पिछले स्लाइड में. सो ये दोनों भी इक्वल हो जाएंगे. दैट इज एंगल ए इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल डी. मैं शुरू में ही मैंने बताया था कि हम लोग का जो मेन टारगेट है एंगल ए और एंगल डी को इक्वल प्रूफ करना. अभी वो हो गया. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द ओरिजिनल ट्राइंगल्स बोथ. ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू डी ई given, AC is equals to DF, that is also given, and angle A is equals to angle D, proved above. So therefore these two triangles are congruent by SAS criteria. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Now we'll see one example. AB is a line segment and P and Q are points on opposite sides of the AB such that each of them are equidistant from the points A and B. So PA is equals to PB and QA is equals to QB. It is given. Show that the line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करेंगे, PAQ और PBQ. Okay, PA is equals to PB, that is AP is equals to BP. It is given. And AQ is equals to BQ, it is also given, right? And PQ is common side. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
SSS.
Very good.
Yes,
SSS congruence rule. So if these two triangles are congruent, so angle APQ is equals to this angle,
CPCT.
right? CPCT. हो गया? अब हम लोग ये वाला दोनों ट्राइंगल्स लेंगे, PAC और PBC। ये दोनों छोटे ट्राइंगल्स हम लोग कॉन्ग्रेंट प्रूफ करने जा रहे हैं। ध्यान से देखो, these two sides are equal, given, and these two angles are equal, already proved, and this is common side। समझ में आ रहा है? PC common, so this मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, these two sides are equal, it is given, and these two angles are equal, proved above, and this is common side। So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
SAS.
Right, SAS congruence rule। So if these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides parts are equal, so AC is equals to BC, and these two angles are also equal। Why?
Each 90 degrees.
CPCT, not each 90 degree, CPCT। Okay, but what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degrees.
180 degree। Why?
Linear pair.
लीनियर है। सो ये दोनों इक्वल भी है और दोनों का सम 180 डिग्री भी है। सो दैट मीन्स बोथ विल बी इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री। एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Okay, so from equation 1 and 2 we can conclude that PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB। Any doubt in this question?
No, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
now we are moving towards the last theorem of this chapter because inequality वाला section already delete हो चुका है, तो ये last theorem होगा हम लोग का, RHS congruence rule। So according to this theorem, R means right angle, hypotenuse, and any one side। Okay, in two right triangles, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent। So हम लोग अभी ये proof करने जा रहे हैं। So this is given, two right angled triangle, right angled ABC is 90 degree and DEF 90 degree, ये दोनों 90 degree दिया हुआ है, and the hypotenuse are equal and any one side are equal, we took BC is equals to EF, right? So इसमें हम लोग को proof क्या करना है, दोनों triangles congruent है। One construction we are going to do, we are going to extend DE such that G up to G, ठीक है, GE is equals to AC। Produce DE to G such that GE is equals to AB। ये दोनों इक्वल है। एनी डाउट हियर? कंस्ट्रक्शन क्लियर है? DE को G तक एक्सटेंड किए सच दैट दिस टू आर इक्वल। अभी हम लोग को प्रूफ करना है ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट। तो यहाँ पर भी हम लोग का जो मेन टारगेट है वो पिछले थ्योरम के जैसे ये दोनों एंगल को इक्वल प्रूफ करना। ओके, तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करेंगे, राइट? So we'll take these two triangles ABC and GEF। So let us start with this one, AB is equals to GE by construction and BC is equals to EF, it is given, and these two angles are equal, each 90 degree। So therefore these two triangles are congruent by which criteria? SAS, right? Okay, so if these two triangles are congruent, angle A is equals to angle G by CPCT or AC is equals to GF by CPCT। Any doubt here?
No, sir.
But AC किसके बराबर है, किसके इक्वल है AC? DF।
DF।
So ये दोनों भी इक्वल हो जाएंगे। क्लियर है?
Yes, sir।
Yes,
Now
sir.
AC is equals to GF and AC is equals to DF will imply GF is equals to DF, and this will imply angle D is equals to angle G। Why?
Angles opposite sides।
Right, very good, angles opposite to equal sides are equal, but we have already shown that angle A is equals to angle G, so that will imply angle A is equals to angle D। Any doubt?
No, sir.
हम लोग का
No,
ये
sir.
मेन टारगेट था. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द ओरिजिनल ट्राइंगल ABC and DEF. BC is equals to EF and these two angles are equal, each 90 degree. Angle A is equals to angle D, proved above. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
AAS.
Very good, AAS. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, now one example. P is a point equidistant from two lines L and M intersecting at point A. Show that AP bisects angle between them. That means we have to show that these two angles are equal. तो उसके लिए हम लोग को ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा. देखो कैसे करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल BP is equals to CP. Why?
Given.
Yes, P is equidistant from L and M. Okay. Next, these two angles are equal.
Each
Why?
90 degree.
Each 90 degree. And what about this side?
Common.
Common. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
SAS.
No, RHS. ये hypotenuse है. Yes, these two triangles are congruent by RHS congruence rule. So these two angles are equal by
CPCT.
CPCT. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards first question of the next exercise. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangle on the same base BC and vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended to intersect BC at point P, show that ABD, this triangle, is congruent to this triangle and ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है ये. So एक एक बिट हम लोग कंप्लीट करते हैं पहले. We'll start with ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. So AB is equals to AC. Okay. And DBC is an isosceles triangle. So DB is equals to DC. And what about this one?
Common.
Common. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
SSS.
Very good. SSS congruence rule. Right. So first bit हो गया हम लोग का. अभी second bit proof करना है. So second bit proof करने के लिए हम लोग अभी ये दोनों एंगल्स ले रहे हैं. These two angles are equal. Why?
CPCT.
CPCT. Very good. Angle BAD is equals to angle CAD. Right. Now in triangle ABP and ACP, AB is equals to AC. This is given. And these two angles are equal, already proved. And AP is common. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
SAS.
Very good. SAS congruence rule. So if these two triangles are congruent, then BP is equals to CP by CPCT. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear है? And what about this angle? These two angles.
They are equal.
They are equal. ठीक है. ये हम लोग का नेक्स्ट बिट होगा क्योंकि लास्ट बिट में हम लोग को शो करना है कि AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Will show in the last. Okay. So अभी हम लोग का थर्ड बिट जो है, थर्ड बिट में क्या प्रूफ करना है हम लोग को? AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. Right. So in part 2 we have proved angle BAP is equals to angle. ये दोनों प्रूफ ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. इसका मतलब क्या है? AP bisects angle A. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. अभी AP जो है वो एंगल D को भी बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. उसके लिए क्या प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा? ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा. So we are going to take both triangles. Okay. So BD is equals to CD. It is given because this is an isosceles triangle and DP is common. Okay. And BP is equals to CP, CPCT. Already यहाँ पे proof बता चुके हैं. right? So therefore, by SSS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent, these two triangles, and this will imply these two angles are equal. Why?
CPCT.
CPCT, right? So this will imply that uh, AP bisects angle D also. किसी को डाउट है इसमें?
No, sir.
No,
ओके,
sir.
अभी फोर्थ बिट में हम लोग को प्रूफ करना था कि AP जो है BC का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है. सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी प्रूव दैट इन द सेकंड बिट दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. So BP is equals to CP, CPCT already we have discussed, and these two angles are also equal by CPCT. But what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degrees.
180 degree.
Why? Linear pair. Okay. So इसके जगह पे हम लोग ये वाला सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं, और
Yes,
जब
sir.
दोनों इक्वल है, दोनों का सम 180 डिग्री है, then each angle will be equals to
90
90 degree. That also we can show by substituting angle APB in place of angle APC. So this will become 2 times. So angle APB is equals to 90 degree. So AP is perpendicular to BC. AP is perpendicular to BC and BP is equals to BC will imply AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now we'll move towards question number 2. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB is equals to AC. Show that AD bisects BC and AD bisects angle A also. तो हम लोग को पहले तो ये प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. सो लेट अस टेक दिस टू ट्रायंगल्स. AB is equals to AC. Why?
Given.
Given, right? And these two angles are equal,
Each 90.
each 90 degree, and these two angles are also equal. Why?
Angles opposite.
Angles opposite to equal sides are
Right,
equal.
angles opposite to equal sides are equal. ठीक है, तो हम लोग भी वो यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम लोग ये वाला यूज कर रहे हैं. कौन सा? एक मिनट. AD, AD is the common side. ठीक है, तो हम लोग RHS यूज कर सकते हैं. राइट एंगल हाइपोटेन्यूज
Yes, sir.
one side. So these two triangles are congruent by RHS congruence rule. So BD is equals to DC by CPCT. So therefore AD bisects BC. First bit is over. Now these two angles are also equal. Why? These two angles are also equal. CPCT.
CPCT.
So therefore AD bisects angle A. किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll move towards question number 3. Two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to PQ, QR and median PN of triangle PQR. Show that these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles ABM or PQM. So सबसे पहले AM is the median. So these two sides are equal.
Yes, sir.
And these two sides are equal to half of BC. Similarly, these two sides are equals to half of QR. That will be our first step. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now in the question
No,
it is
sir.
given that BC and QR both are equal. So that means half of BC is equals to half of QR.
Yes, sir.
So half of BC के प्लेस में हम लोग लिख सकते हैं BM, और half of QR के प्लेस में हम लोग लिख सकते हैं QN. So this will imply BM is equals to QN. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to take these two triangles. जिसको प्रूफ करना है वो वाला ट्रायंगल्स हम लोग ले रहे हैं ABM and PQN. So AB is equals to PQ given.
Given.
AM is equals to PN given, and BM is equals to QN proved above. So therefore these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
SSS.
SSS.
Very good. SSS congruence rule. So this will imply angle B is equals to angle Q. Why?
CPCT.
CPCT. Very good. Right. So अब हम लोग full triangles ले रहे हैं. Angle ABC और angle PQR. Let us start. AB is equals to PQ given, and angle B is equals to angle Q, proved above, and BC is equals to QR. It is also given. So therefore these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
SAS.
Very good. SAS congruence rule. So now we are moving towards fourth question. BE and CF are two equal altitudes of triangle ABC. Using RHS congruence rule, prove that the triangle ABC is isosceles. So हम लोग अभी ये दोनों triangles से ले रहे हैं. देखो ध्यान से, these two triangles, ये वाला और ये वाला. ओके, सेम क्वेश्चन हम लोग किए थे ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स लेके. अभी ध्यान से देखो, BC कॉमन है दोनों में, and these two angles are 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and these two altitudes are also equal. So therefore these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
RHS.
Yes, RHS congruence rule. So this will imply angle B is equals to angle C. CPCT.
CPCT.
Okay, and angle B is equals to angle C will imply AB is equals to AC. Why?
Sides.
Right, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards fifth question. Okay, ये last question है revision number 2 का. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equals to AC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC and show that angle B is equals to angle C. This is very easy. So ये दोनों triangles को congruent proof करना है. ध्यान से देखो, AB is equals to AC and these two angles are equal, each 90 degree, and this is common. Okay, दोनों 90 degree है, दोनों given है, दोनों common है. Now these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
RHS.
Very good. RHS congruence rule. So this will imply angle B is equals to angle C by
CPCT.
CPCT, right? And now we are moving towards the next section, the last section, assignment questions. So 7 questions are there. I will share these assignment question through Google Classroom. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.